Economists, sociologists, and all those individuals which have measured human behavior over time have analyzed laws, institutions, market trends and movements, all in relation to man's need of having a store of wealth and a medium of exchange, an exchange of value which man has always sought since the beginning of time. Man initially started with hunting, and then related to bartering, moved on to the creation of coins during times of the Romans. Thereafter we had the creation of paper money and the creation of banks, whereby they stored our value and our means of exchange. Nowadays, we also have electronic payments, which allow individuals to buy goods and services over internet platforms, as well as the provision of government services, which are online and one can pay one's taxes on an electronic system. However, we are now entering into a new age, an age where blockchain technology is being introduced, an age where blockchain technology will disrupt the way we will do our business on a day-to-day basis. So what is blockchain? Blockchain is a disruptive technology. It is based on a peer-to-peer decentralized network, which also has cryptography at its core. Cryptography allows the exchange of information between the different peers and allows the system to be immutable and unforgeable, thus giving a greater level of security in the transactions which were taking place. Man always based himself on fear, the fear of uncertainty, which at the end of the day translates into not recognizing the person that we have in front of us. We do not recognize the transaction because we are not certain the transaction is going to take place, and we feel that we are at a disadvantage. So what does blockchain solve in this respect? Blockchain solves the identification problem by creating a network whereby you have a portable identity which can be taken with you worldwide. Thanks to its connection to the various computers around the world, if you are in a war-torn country or you are affected by floods or natural disasters, your identity is portable with you. This means that if you move from one country to another, your records, being health, education, financial, whatever stored on the blockchain comes with you. Identification is therefore one of the applications of blockchain. Blockchain also creates transparency. Having computers connected as peer-to-peer nodes, storing the information, and having those nodes confirming that information is valid allows transparency in transactions, thus allowing companies and governments, or companies with governments and industry as a whole, to be able to interact with one another in a seamless manner. Uncertainty which faces mankind in relation to day-to-day activities is also the fact of non-recourse. Non-recourse means we applied for a good or purchased a service. We agree the terms and conditions with the person selling us the good or service. However, that contract is not honored to the expectation which the buyer would have had. Blockchain technology is a means to solving such a situation. Through the creation of a smart contract, a contract based on the blockchain, terms and conditions have to be satisfied prior to the funds for the service or good being given are released to the person who has delivered that service. Therefore, if the service is not delivered or the good is not given in accordance to the terms and conditions of the contract, then the blockchain will not allow the repayment of the service. Thus, thanks to blockchain technology and the utilization of smart contracts, an acquirer of a good or service has peace of mind that until the smart contract is satisfied in accordance with terms and conditions, the funds shall not be released for that good or service.